What's good, YouTube? I'm back at y'all with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I made this Detroit type beat inside FL Studio. Alright, so the first thing I did was added this Kontakt 8 plugin, then I added some reverb to it, and came up with this chord progression. Then I added this VST called 313 Lit, added some reverb to it, and then came up with this melody to go with the chords. Then I used that same 313 Lit VST again to find these strings, added some more Valhalla vintage verb, and then came up with this counter melody. Then I used that 313 Lit VST again to add this synth bass. And this 313 Lit VST is pretty self-explanatory. It's made to make Detroit type beats. You got all the different drums and instruments you'll need if you was trying to make that Detroit sound. And this was the bass line I came up with. Then I added a tubular bell. Alright, now I'm gonna show y'all how I came up with my drum patterns. First, I grabbed this 808 and just copied the bass line from the synth bass. Then I copied that same exact pattern to the kick drum. Then I added this clap. Then I added this snare drum, and as you can see, I added a couple of extra filler notes, and then this snare roll down at the end. Then I added this hi-hat pattern, and it's just a basic hi-hat pattern with a couple of hi-hat rolls in it, and that's it. Then I added this zap. Then I added some more percussion. And the last thing I added was this open hat. Alright, so once I finished coming up with all my chords, melodies, and drum patterns, I brought them over to the playlist and arranged them. And all I did was for the intro, I took all of the drums out, kept the synth bass playing, and when the verse started, I took the counter melody and the synth bass out and brought in all the drums. And I took the synth bass out because I didn't want it playing at the same time as the 808. But I bring it back in at another point in the song when the 808 drops out. This was a quick arrangement that I did with this beat, but it actually came out sounding pretty nice. And always remember, it ain't no rules to how you arrange your beats. You can arrange them and structure them any way that you like. But I'm gonna give y'all a real quick sample of how it sounds once I arranged everything like this. Alright, so that's how I came up with that Detroit type beat. If it's any other type beat videos that y'all would want to see me make, just let me know down in the comments and I'll try to get on it as soon as possible. Make sure you stay tuned for more FL Studio tutorials, more beat making tutorials, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I hope this video helped somebody out, but until the next one, I'ma holla at y'all. Peace.